can't erase, so I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you. Without you, I can't quit now. This can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you. Without you, I won't soar, I won't climb. If you're not here, I'm paralyzed without you. Without you, I can't look, I'm so blind. I lost my heart, I lost my mind without you.
So, first day, ito yung nagawa. Yan, bond papers. And, yan, yung drawing. Yan, Eiffel Tower. So, hindi pa siya tapos. Marami pa ilalagay. But, okay na. So, 2 more days. Buti na nasugbo ka. So, tapos ko to with the help of my friend. So, first day. I love you. Yan. Day 2 ng surprise sa'yo. Not surprise talaga yung preparation. Ayan, hinihintay ko lang yung friend ko dumating. So, para makapag-work na ulit kami doon. So, okay. Swimming ka ngayon. So, yeah, it's time for me to rest ngayon kasi medyo puyat. Dahil nga doon, sulit naman. Kaya, I love you. Enjoy sa Cebu. Day 2 outlining. So, outline na ng Eiffel Tower. Yan. So far, yung para gagawa. Ayan. So, day 2. Sana matapos namin yun. So, ingat sa nasa bus. So, Alfonso, hindi ka kita. Hi. Abdo. Yan, nag-text si Papa. Hi, Papa. Si Kuya Aris. Day 2, nagawa namin, yung sa Eiffel Tower, pati yung guhit, walks, yung car, street light, yan. So, yun. Pero may gagawin pa kami tomorrow. Color, saka yung paint nung nito. Tapos yung bike. Sana mataas bukas kasi 24 dadating ka. Christmas party. No. Celebration ng Christmas. Nating dalawa. So, yun. Bye.
Shout out to Ludacris in the house, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning. Day 3. Ngayon din yung uwi mo siguro. hapon pa. Pero, patry namin tapusin lahat yung ginagawa namin. Para if ever makipagkita ka, pwede kitang puntahan, pero hindi ka pwede punta dito kasi makikita mo surprise ko. Yung purpose nga para ng surprise ko is mag-iiba yung Christmas mo at saka kasi gusto ko punta sa Paris. Obviously, I can't bring you there, but I'll bring Paris to you na lang. So, if ever nagsusunoman sa Paris, I can't do anything about that because syempre wala akong aircon na sunog. Bear with me na lang sa surprise ko. I hope to see you very soon. And I love you. I miss you. Day 3. Eiffel Tower, the walk, street light. Bye na. Love you. Yan. Day 3. 11:19 na. Yan pa lang nagagawa mo. So, ayun. Medyo mahal na sa oras. Try ko munang tapusin yung boss. Yun, prepare ko ngayon. Tapos, pagkatapos mo, baka yung ibang part naman tulog mo na, mag-isip na ako ng maga-maga para tapos kasi hindi na tayo lang so, this is super long tapos na ako may person I love you, I'll see you